Have you got 3 minutes? Our parish church is 200 metres up the road. Come and see. Nearly there. Hooray! I'd like to show you some of the work that needs to be done. The walls are made out of these stones called flints, stuck together with mortar. After a long time, the mortar starts to fail and the flints start to drop out. Here are just a few that we've collected from the ground. We can't let these holes keep on getting bigger, or the wall will crumble away. There are other masonry repairs to do. Because the building is so big and heavy, it has these extra bits that stick out called buttresses. They help to bear the weight. The really big stones on the edges are called coin stones. As the ground has shifted slightly over the years, the coin stones have started to crack apart from the rest of the wall. They need to be secured to keep the tower safe. There are a few other jobs too. Repairs to the roof, and drain pipes, and plaster work. Please sponsor part of the repair work to restore St John's for today and for the future. A gift of £53 will replace a flint, £165 will secure a coin stone, and £277 will restore a whole square yard of church wall. The account details are on the screen. We can send sponsors a certificate to say thank you and keep a record of sponsors in church too. If you would like us to do this, please let us know on the email address on the screen. Alternatively, you can just give directly into the account and remain anonymous. With your help, St John's can be preserved as a place of welcome now and for the future. Thank you.